Powerhouses united. Nike championing every woman's strength. Sugar celebrating every woman's shine. It was game on. Laces tied, eyes locked. Thousands of women with unshakable spirit. The burn, the push, the grit. Side by side, stride by stride. Rewriting limits. Forged long before the starting line. Built by showing up day after day. While the world slept, they ran. Before the run stole the spotlight, we ran the show our way. 3,000 plus women chose bold, chose sugar. Foundations matched, nails snatched. Serving looks first, chasing wins next. More than a race, it was a run towards our best selves.